This is John with WTI. And as I'm always trying to get a proper option for me to keep my hygiene working perfectly, this is Nivea Men deodorant, spray deodorant. It's just great. And I'm going to tell you why. For me, this has been a great option because of the protection, long lasting protection. It has a nice smell, not too overpowering. Sometimes you could get some deodorants that are gonna be too heavy on the fragrance, but maybe not so much in the protection. And I'm a sports guy. I'm always trying to keep myself active or playing basketball or soccer or call it whatever you want. And just taking this and put it in my bag, it's just a lifesaver. Obviously, you will have to get your 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 typical shower and all that. But once you get one with this guy, in my case, has been pretty good with the protection, the great smell, the convenience of taking this pretty much anywhere, and it gives you, in my case, have given me a long lasting protection, even though I'm an active person. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.